Want to know how to sign in to Dola AI? So we had created a video on how to register to Dola AI, so make sure to watch it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI website. Just simply download the Dola app or just simply towards dola.com on your web browser, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're on this interface, on the top right side you should be seeing this login icon right here, right beside downloads. Just simply select that. So now once I've selected that, here you can log in through various means. So you can just simply select the number, or you can do it from any one of these. So make sure you had registered in order to log in though. So you can just simply select Google. Since I had used Google in the previous video, you can just simply select your account that you like, and then it should sign in automatically. And that's it. Super simple and easy. After a while, it should automatically sign in. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.